Hi friends, in this video I'll going to tell you that how much it will cost of making the beautiful wardrobe designs and what are the advantages of a wardrobes and what are the points to remember before making the wardrobe. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel. A beautiful wardrobe with unique designs, textures or finishes can become the focal point of your bedroom, adding the character and the charm. A beautiful wardrobes often combine the functionality with style. Thoughtfully designed interiors make organizing your belongings simple and efficient. So friends, when you're planning to make the wardrobe, you should remember some important points which I will going to tell you that which are the best materials for wardrobes and what are the materials price and what are the labor rate for charging making the wardrobe. So now we will discuss the best materials for wardrobe, as plywood is the strong materials to make the wardrobe designs or any other furniture for house. So in the plywood you will get three different types of grades like 303 which is the MR grade and 310 which is the BWR grade, and if you want more and best plywood which is 710 BWP grade which is a boiling waterproof grade, it can call is marine grade also, because 710 grade is waterproof and it is a good quality of plywood which you can use for every furniture in the house. You can use in this kitchen, bathrooms where water resist, because it is totally waterproof material and it is very strong materials for the furnitures. For doors, use the MDF or block board. The thickness should be the 25 mm. Don't use the plywood because plywood is heavy, so may chances to remove your hinges and can remove the door. So now we will discuss how much it will cost of making the wardrobe designs. Let's assume that if you want to give the work with the labor rate, and if you the labor rate will charge us 200 rupees to 350 rupees per square feet and the materials is yours, and if you want to give total with materials and the labor rate, so it will totally cost 1100 rupees to 1500 rupees per square feet. It depends upon the designs, complexity, materials. So let me take some example. If you want to make the wardrobe, the size of is 9 by 6, 9 feet height, 6 feet length. So the total square feet of the wardrobe will be 54 square feet, and we will take the price as 1100 rupees per square feet. This price includes materials plus labor cost. So the total price of making the wardrobe of 9 by 6 is 59,400 rupees. So you should remember key points before making the wardrobe, like first one is the space and measurement. Measure the available space accurately, height, width, depth. Consider the room layout, doors, and because you get the multiple options in a doors like sliding door and the open doors, so you can select